Put it out there. Take the car, put it out there. I want it quiet. You two are playing with it.
No, I'm not. I'm shutting this off so Anthony can't see me. Because this is on. I'm trying to shut it off so he can't see me. Ah, there. Now we can. Oh, I broke it.
Oh.
There it is.
Where is it?
I broke
Right
it.
here.
I broke it.
Yeah, I was going to have everybody eat. I'm hungry. Yeah, okay. I was asking Anthony before.
Yeah.
And I think it's a good time to eat.
Yeah.
You know, I'll get the place.
And we're going upstairs to eat. I don't want to, because I'm laying down.
You can take your lasagna, really.
I put it up there. She dropped it.
Whose phone is that on the floor?
That? No, it's not a phone. I don't know. She was just messing with my stuff. No, Giovanna was messing with my stuff, so. I don't know why.
You want some lasagna there?
What?
Would you like some lasagna?
Oh, sure. I'll have some lasagna.
Okay. Oh, thank you for bringing it up.